Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying what you have. Identify the interface outputs and monitor inputs so you know whether to use TRS or XLR. Once done, choose balanced cables, TRS or XLR, because they reject noise and keep the signal clean. Make sure both monitors and interface are powered but turned down. This prevents pops. Also plug them into the same grounded outlet to minimize hum. That first setup avoids common issues and gets you straight into making the physical connections confidently. Now connect outputs to monitors. Route the interface left output to the left monitor and right to the right. This preserves stereo imaging. Use balanced cables and plug firmly, then set the interface output level to unity or the manufacturer's recommended nominal level. This gives headroom and avoids distortion. If your monitors accept only RCA or unbalanced, use appropriate cables and lower the level. As you connect, keep channels discrete. Do not sum stereo into a single mono input, or you'll lose spatial information. Finish by powering the system correctly. Turn on the audio interface first, set its levels, then power the monitors and slowly raise their volume. You want to perform a quick stereo check with familiar audio so you can balance monitor gain and listener position. If you hear hum, pops, or no signal, make sure cables are fully seated, swap cables to isolate faults, and check for ground loops or mismatched output levels. If problems persist, try a different outlet or a ground lift solution on one device as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.